Hello aspirants, welcome to INCAR IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the amazing facts about the Himachala Pradesh. The video extensively cover the physical characteristics, natural vegetation of Himachala Pradesh, regional festival, art forms, industry, major rivers, minerals, agriculture, geographical indicators, historical sites, heritage sites, national park, biosphere reserves, and also the wildlife sanctuaries. Himachal Pradesh, the beautiful city of northern state of India. The capital of Himachal Pradesh is Simla. That is a summer. In the winter, that is a Dharamshala. In important cities, that is mainly present in the Himachal Pradesh is very well known Simla, Kulu, Mandi, Amirpur. These are the major cities which is present in the Himachal Pradesh. The Himachal Pradesh, the state formed in the year of 1971, 25th of January. Mainly the Himachal Pradesh consists of 12 districts. The language which is mainly Hindi is official language. English is the additional language. Other spoken language is Pahari, Dogri, Mandeli, Gangri and also Kinnari. It is very well known for the fruit bowl of the country. All season state and apple state hall houses have a toilet and 100% hygiene was have been achieved in the state. This is one of the state which is achieved by the 100% hygiene. So the state is called a very much hygiene state. The physical characteristics mainly these are divided into three divisions. First of all, Shivalik or outer Himalayas, the middle Himalayas or inner Himalayas, the greater Himalayas or the alpine zone. These are the major important division. The state lies on the foothills of the Dauladhar range. The climate varies from the hot and sub-humid tropical to cold and also glacial. While Dharmashala receives the heavy rainfall, that Lahore Spiti gets the less rainfall. These are the major physical characteristics of the Himachal Pradesh. The natural vegetation of Himachal Pradesh, their state, which is lies in the Dauladhar range. Already I told that the climate varies from the hot and subhumid climate and cold and glacial. The Dharmashala receives the heavy rainfall. The Laulal Spits gets the less rainfall. So there is a 30 wildlife sanctuary, 3 conservation reserves. Alpine to the north is gradually transformed to dry temperate grasslands through moist temperate while moving to the southwest. So these are the major important natural vegetation which is present in the Himachal Pradesh. There is a major rivers that the Satluj flows from the Rakas that is all near the Manasava lake to the Jinub, and Ravi that is flowing from the Bandal, that is a Tangiri, that glacier which is in Chambal, that is in the Himachal Pradesh to the Hindus, and also the B, so which is flowing from the Vyaskond, and that is a Rotang Pass to the Satluj, and Jinab that is a flowing from the Baralacha Pass that is to the Satluj, and also Yamuna flows from the Kalinda Barbat that is to Uttarakhand to the Ganga. These are the major important rivers which is flows into the Himachal Pradesh. The major regional festival that is celebrating in the Himachal Pradesh, that is Halda, Lori, Baisakhi, that is Himachal Winter Carnival, Kulu, Dasara, Pulaj, Lozar, Godsi, Sairi, Feguli. These are the important regional festivals celebrated in the Himachal Pradesh. The major art forms of Himachal Pradesh, that is a school of painting, is the Gangra, Chamba, Basoli, Garwal, and Tanka. These are the major important school of painting which is in the Himachal Pradesh, and also the school of dance, that is Kayamala dance, Demon or Rakshasa dance, that Kikali, Shan Sabu and Sabo dance, Dalshon and Cholaba dance, Kulu Nati dance. These are the major important dance forms. In the Himachal Pradesh, the major industry which are present is over 93% of the population in Himachal that depends directly upon the agriculture, which provides the direct employment to the 71% of its people, and electronics, toy industry is also present in the Himachal Pradesh. The major minerals which is found in the Himachal Pradesh, that is rock salt, limestone, gypsum, barti, silica sand. These are the major minerals which is present in the Himachal Pradesh. Agriculture, there is a wheat production, maize production, jute production, fig, apple, plums, barley, olives. These are the major agricultural products from the Himachal Pradesh. Geographical indication, that is Kulu shawl, Kinnori shawl, Gangra tea and Chamba rumal. These are the major important geographical indication of the Himachal Pradesh. And key points about the Himachal Pradesh, that is a state bird, that is a western tragopan. State animal is a stone leopard. State tree is a deodar cedar. The state flower is a common rhododendron. These are the major important key facts about the Himachal Pradesh. The major historical sites which are present in the Himachal Pradesh, that is a rune fort or rock inscription in the Gangra, that is a Bhimka Tila in Buddhist stupa in Gangra, and also Katosh Palace in the Hamirpur. These are the major important historical site which is in the Himachal Pradesh. There is an important World Heritage Site, that is Great Himalayan National Park. This is a very important World Heritage Site. And Kalka Shimla Railway, that is also very well known railways in India. The Ramsar sites which are present in the Himachal Pradesh, that is a Chandratal, Phong Dam, Lake, Renuka Lake. These are the important Ramsar sites which are present in the Himachal Pradesh. The endemic bat areas, that is in the western Himalayas, that is important bat sanctuary, that is a bat sanctuaries are Gamgul, Siabehi sanctuary. The natural parks which are present in the Himachal Pradesh, that is a Great Himalayan National Park, Kir Ganga National Park, Pin Valley National Park, Inder Kila National Park, Simbalbara National Park. These are the major important national parks present in the Himachal Pradesh. Biosphere reserves, the Cold Desert Biosphere Reserve, the Pin Valley National Park, the Chandratal, Sarchu and Kibar Wildlife Sanctuary are present in the Himachal Pradesh. These are the major important biosphere reserves. Wildlife sanctuaries, that is an important wildlife sanctuary, that is a Bandi Wildlife Sanctuary, Challi Wildlife Sanctuary, Chandratal Wildlife Sanctuary, Churdar Wildlife Sanctuary, Darangati Wildlife Sanctuary, Daulodar Wildlife Sanctuary, Ghamgul Siabe Wildlife Sanctuary, Khais Wildlife Sanctuary, Khalatap, Gajar Wildlife Sanctuary, Khanawar Wildlife Sanctuary, Kokha Wildlife Sanctuary, Gibar Wildlife Sanctuary, which are present in the Himachal Pradesh. There is a many important tourist place, that is a Simla, that is a Queen of Wales, that is a old British summer capital, and also that is Manali Kulu, that is adventure sport of the honeymoon and destination, and Dharamshala, that is a McLeodganj, that is a home to the Dalai Lama, Spiti Valley, that is a Chamba, Dalhousie, Kinnor, Kajar. These are the main important natural beauty tourist spots. The education level, with they are having the high literacy rate with a strong focus on the rural education, and it is a eco-friendly development, cleanliness, and also India's first open defecation free state is Himachal Pradesh. There is a cultural, actually they are rich in folk dances and also traditional dresses, wooden architecture and handicrafts, that is reflect a strong local identity. That is a Buddhist culture is a prominent in this area, and also there is a Lohal Spiti and Dharmashala which is present in the Himachal Pradesh. There is an economy majorly based on the agriculture, horticulture like apples, and also hydropower and tourism is also there. There's many hydroelectric projects there is many hydroelectric projects, that lamps with the Bakra Nangal, and also ecotourism and also adventure tourism like trekking, skiing or big gear. And also it's a very much mountainous terrain region, so which is a very much important, and strategically it's a border with the Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, and also Tibet, which is known for the rivers like Bees, Sutlej, and also Ravi. So these are the major important facts about the Himachal Pradesh. Thank you so much.